approximately we paid. I'm gonna have all cuisines today. That we've got double upgrade. Like, hey Rishodai! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, my name is Nikita. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm shooting yet another vlog, and today's vlog is a very special vlog because it's my birthday tomorrow. So we are going to St. Regis, which is in Lower Parel, which was earlier called as Palladium Hotel, and we booked a staycation for 2 days. So I'm really looking forward to this vacation. So without wasting much time, we need to leave. So I'm just going to vlog this entire experience, and we are already on our way. It's already 2:15 and we were supposed to check in at 12. And so what I'm going to do is that in the end I'm going to put up a review on how our stay was, what was the package that we took, how much have we paid, and so on, which might be helpful for you. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, and now let's just go because we're already very late. And that is Mandeep, who's getting our lunch, 2 rolls, and our middle class yet continues in every staycation.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze.
Mandeep with my gift. I already know what's in it.
Impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home.
Wow.
It's funny how easy.
Also, we've been upgraded. So I'm going to give you all details about which room is it and other details in some time. Let me just settle, and then I'll also show you the room and the view. So here is the room, here is the bathroom. So we had actually booked the grand one. No, we booked the deluxe one,
yeah.
and we've been upgraded as like a partial sea view.
I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt like.
So this is the view from the room. We are on the 28th floor, and if you see over here, you get the partial sea view and then the city line view.
Out of the storm, I found.
That's Mandeep, as usual, checking out the mini bar. So do you want to just explain what room you had booked and what upgrade you've got?
I was actually already booking a higher category room, but when I called them, they said that don't go for a higher category because anyways we don't have that much occupancy. So you can just check in over here. If the higher category room is available in abundance, then they may complimentarily upgrade us. Or if not, then you can just pay during the check-in and upgrade it.
So the bottom line is that we've got double upgrade. Like from one category, we directly jumped to the third category.
And we didn't even expect this double upgrade, quite
yeah,
frankly.
yeah.
And they just gave it.
Plus, because it was also because we are a Marriott Bonvoy member.
Yes.
So that's why I said in my last vlog also, always take the membership, like it is free.
True.
And now we're just going to relax, and the middle class that we are, we have our lunch.
Got it.
Because dinner and breakfast is included in our package. Plus we have one crazy thing. We have a dedicated butler service in this room. We have never had that kind of an experience. As in, what is it like? I don't even know what we'll do with the butler.
Even I
Like,
don't know.
I don't know. We'll see how it goes because we have no idea. So it's lunch time. Here is our lunch. Some thumbs up. Enjoy.
Cheers.
Guys, I'm about to do something which I've never done. I'm eating a chocolate from the mini bar. It is for 350.
Nigga, chill, yaar.
With taxes, it might be 450. That's why I've been contemplating for an hour if I should go for it or not. No, there goes our 450 rupees.
Yes, it's gone. Now please eat it. Please stop being like this and eat it.
We have just been whiling away our time. Just sleeping, looking at the sunset and just chilling.
Yeah.
But it's already 8 and dinner is only till 11. There are multiple restaurants in this hotel, but because of lockdown, everything is shut, which is a good thing. But as far as I know, the restaurants can be open, but yeah.
Fun fact, like for the 7 years that I've known Nikita, I've always told her that we'll go to Asilo together, Asilo. But today, when we are in the hotel that has
Yeah.
Asilo, Asilo is shut.
We've always tried to go to Asilo, but has never worked
Something
out.
or the other
Yeah.
has come up and we have never
Yeah.
been able to go.
So let's just go, get ready, and go for dinner.
Cool.
Pre-birthday dinner starts today.
Yeah, and the dinner buffet over here is insane. Like the amount of dishes and variety is insane. And after a really long time, I found chicken parmesan, which I love. So I'm just gonna start with that and some fish. Basically, I've got a mix of Italian and Lebanese. But for main course, I saw like amazing Chinese and Indian. So I think I'm gonna have all cuisines today. Guys, this is legit Shadi Khana.
Yeah, man.
Shadi Khana feels.
Seriously.
There's like chicken biryani, chicken handi, prawns gravy, then there are Chinese noodles, chicken hakka, prawns hakka, I don't know what are. Mandeep is his favorite. Paneer.
Mine is simple actually. Mine is all Indian. If you see, you've taken a mix.
I don't know, I just went mad.
One eternity later.
We are taking some rounds because we've eaten a hell lot. Like literally my jeans is so tight I can't even talk. एकदम ऐसे शादी में खाना खाया वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है. मतलब चाइनीज़ भी खा लिया, इंडियन भी खा लिया, इटालियन भी खा लिया, सब खा लिया बेसिकली. और अभी वाट लग रहा है.
Desserts were insane.
Yeah.
Better than the main course. Yeah.
Yeah,
And I'm not at all a desserts guy and I love the desserts.
yeah. You are, but you like Indian desserts, and you are.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
Okay. I can see some balloons. Why do they have congratulations written?
They got a little confused, I guess. Now, please show what the gift is.
I know what the gift is, but I think I'm going to unbox it tomorrow.
All right.
Should I just open it today?
Yes. Just unwrap it.
It's finally here.
Whoa.
It is my MacBook Pro. I'm going to open it tomorrow because I want to like enjoy it. Right now I'm very sleepy, so I won't be able to do justice to it. My first ever MacBook. Thanks, Mandeep, for the best gift ever. Good morning, guys. So finally I'm ready and today is my birthday. And so we are actually heading for breakfast now because the breakfast is only till 10:30. But I just can't get over this view because there's a city line here and then there is this entire sea that you can see beyond it. For some reason it's very calming. And as usual, I am late for breakfast. Mandeep is already ready and he's already down. I can see him from here. So I think I should also head down now. And that's Mandeep chilling over there, waiting for me.
Me dipping.
Always
Thanks.
stealing food from me. Even after you have so much on your plate.
Because I forgot to get the chip.
We're just sitting here enjoying the view and getting some vitamin D. The weather is actually nice. Like even though it's hot, but at least it's windy and it's not extremely hot.
It's breezy, yeah.
Yeah. Hi guys, we've spent the entire day just chilling in bed. It's like it's Mandeep's birthday because he has slept for 3-4 hours in the afternoon as well. And now we're just going down to say take some pictures and then have some coffee down or here wherever.
Yeah. And I have to take some really good pictures now because I have been told that this is a very boring birthday. Apparently,
Yeah, because you're sleeping for 4 hours and hearing you snore. I think
let's go take some pictures.
I've had it all. Guys, we've come to the same area where we were taking rounds last night. This is actually, sorry for the construction noise, and this is actually the only open space in the hotel right now. All other restaurants, pool area, everything is shut because of the COVID scene. But yeah, this is a good area. There's a good view of the Mumbai skyline. So we're just chilling over here. I want to take a picture with my Marc Jacobs bag. This is the first time I'm wearing it, and believe it or not, I had got this on my last birthday. I also have a vlog of it when I unboxed this. I'm going to link it here. Do have a look. And we're just chilling at the moment, and the weather has completely changed in Mumbai. It's going to rain. In fact, I can actually feel 1 or 2 droplets falling. You could also feel it, right? Yeah, here also I can see a few droplets falling. We actually had to run back to the room because it started raining. Cheers! Just having some coffee, enjoying the view. By the way, did you notice that that's the ceiling?
Oh yeah, I have seen it.
Yeah, we were not looking at that side of the view naturally. Finally getting ready for dinner, and today's dinner we've been told is at the Sahib room and the Kipling bar. So I'm looking forward to it because I wanted to do something different than yesterday because my birthday today. Just waiting for the table to be set up.
Yeah. Because they were giving us a table, but the birthday girl wanted a separate table, a different table.
Yeah, because the table that they were giving had 0 view.
Yeah, that's true.
Got beaten on my birthday.
That was a quick one.
No, come on. And I'm-
It's okay. It's okay. You're playing after ages.
yeah,
I played on the phone
I
sometimes.
lost. Let's go for dinner.
Sure, let's go.
Table is ready. Cheers.
Cheers and wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me. That's the view. First course has arrived.
Let's go.
Bon appetit. Heading for the final meal, the final breakfast. But I don't think we are going to eat much because there's literally no space left in our stomachs after eating non-stop for 2 days.
12 seconds later.
What are you looking for?
I think just mangoes.
Stop it. Get some help.
So finally unboxing my MacBook Pro, my birthday gift. I'm really excited. Never had a MacBook. This is my first Apple laptop. It is showtime. Whoa. I'm legit nervous opening this. Oh my god. This looks yum. So this is the MacBook Pro. This is the latest M1 chip. This is a 13-inch laptop, and the color is silver.
Yeah.
Yeah, the color is silver. There's an option of space gray as well, but I loved the silver more. I have tears. My first ever MacBook, guys. Thanks. So guys, we are finally at the end of our staycation. We've spent 2 amazing days over here, and we just thought like each time we just give you a review on how our stay was. So first of all, how much did we pay? So how much did we pay?
We paid 7,350 per night.
Does that include taxes?
No.
So with taxes, I think 16.
Approximately 8. Yeah, per night.
Yeah. So yeah, approximately we paid 16,000 for 2 days, which included breakfast and dinner for both days. And this was the staycation package, which we booked on the Marriott site itself, because this is actually a Marriott property.
It was too good. I mean, the staff was courteous, the food was nice, the room was amazing.
Yeah, I would also say it was very good. Food, particularly over here, was amazing. Like the variety, the taste, everything was top notch. Just that thing is that it's not confirmed where your dinner and breakfast would be, because depending on the number of people, for example, if the number of people are more than what they can accommodate in a restaurant, they move it to a ballroom or an hall area, because they want to maintain the social distancing norms and the guidelines. So for the first day, our dinner and next day's breakfast both were in an open hall area, and for the second night, the dinner as well as today's breakfast, it was at the Sahib room and the Kipling bar.
Correct.
Yeah, everything was well taken care of. You also have a butler service over here, which is a part of a staycation package. We did not avail much of the butler service.
The butler services usually include making teas or
Yeah.
afternoon teas and helping you wrap up, helping you unpack, and
Yeah.
decorating the room as well for special occasions. So yes, we did avail of the decoration of the room while
Yeah.
service, but none of the other services we required. Yeah.
And if I just had to point out like one con, if I have to point out just one con, I would say that sometimes the staff is a little over courteous, because they ask you a lot of times that do you need anything, do you need anything, and I mean they are like over courteous, but sometimes it was making me feel like, okay, are there any services I'm missing out on? Is there something that is there which they're asking me if I need, and I'm not sure if I need it. That was the only con, but other than that, an amazing stay.
Superb.
Amazing 2 days just flew by eating and sleeping. We've eaten a lot, we've put on a lot of weight, but yeah. So with that, we want to end the vlog here. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and let me know if you want us to check out some other properties, and we'll surely do that, because we love taking staycations, especially in lockdown, because you cannot move out of your city. This is the best thing to do to get a break. So if you want us to check out some properties, do let us know, and we'll surely do that. And we'll see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.